Everybody say Upa! Epa! Now to the left, to the left. Bye bye! Aruba is about 90 million years old. This island was formed in 4 different times or eras. That was 90, then 81 million years, then 47, and the last era was 11,000 years. East coast of Aruba. Well, you see a lot of cactus. The cactus are from Aruba. The Fuji trees are from Aruba. This long cactus, they call them in Aruba cactus espada. Espada is a sword. You know, the zorro with a sword. Well, the long cactus, they call it sword cactus. And the little flat one, they call them tuna. Like the tuna fish, they call this cactus tuna cactus. This is a Fuji tree right here on your left. This is a tree from Aruba. Fuji tree, Fuji. Fuji tree. Right? And now I'm going to show you a divi. A divi is a tree that only grows in Aruba, they say. And right now we are in the area of Alto Vista. And we are going to see the Alto Vista chapel. The first Catholic chapel of Aruba. It's going to be a first stop. You can go inside this chapel. Maybe you want to light a little candle for your loved one. Maybe you just want to go on your knees and you want to say your prayers. The first preachers, the first missionaries that reached to Aruba in the 1700s, they met these Indians, Caribs Indians that came from the coast of Venezuela. Was the first humans in this island. From here, my friend, looking to the right, you can see the other side of Aruba. Aruba is an island 19 miles by 6 miles wide. It only takes you 20 minutes to go to one side of the island to the Now you're going to start to see this process, the stations of the cross. 14 crosses. Then we are cruising. We are getting close to this little chapel. We're going to stop the bus. I'm going to stop the bus, so you're going to have like 15 minutes. Take photos
Son las estaciones de cruce.
My friend, I introduce you to the rainforest of Aruba. You don't want to swim on this part of the island because the water is very rough. And looking to the left, you can see the California Lighthouse. That's going to be our second stop. And you can see the
Oh, Lighthouse está hasta allá.
right. Remember that you are on a long island.
Lighthouse.
Where is that? Where is that lighthouse? You don't want to swim on this part of the island unless you're crazy. You want to take the time to everybody, you can tell that it's water very rough and very deep. Okay, so this is the chapel that I was telling you about. The little chapel of Alto Vista. Alto means high and Vista means view. It's open to the public. Okay, so at least there are two places where you can buy something to drink or souvenir. Well, my friends, a lot of weddings take place in this little chapel. It's open to the public. Maybe you want to go inside and you want to say your prayers. Maybe you want to say something like this. You want to say, oh my Lord, my good Lord. Thank you, Father, for this beautiful day. Thank you, Lord, because I reached to this part of the world with my kids, my husband, my wife, my secretary, my nieto. And my friends, I want everybody looking to the left. Yes, just in case you cannot wait. When you need to go to the bathroom, the toilets are somewhere behind those cactus or those bushes. Alright, the ladies, you have to be careful with the cactus. And you guys don't laugh off the ladies. Because in Aruba we have this kind of snake that eat little mice too. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the bus. Remember that we only have this 15 minutes. We don't have an hour or half an hour, we just have it 15 minutes.
Vamos a la capilla, Mili. Vamos a la iglesia.
Right here. This guy told me that he have a special for you guys. See, let me hear what is the special that he have for you guys.
Dutch English. He said we are 10 minutes from Venezuela.
Yes, I could drive.
Make water very quick, and the California went down. That's why they named this lighthouse California. This lighthouse was built between 1914 and 1916. Always been working. The lake of Maracaibo, Venezuela, is only 27 miles years ago.
Last port of our cultivated fruits. It's pretty happy. Walk with your girl. One major complaint I had with Aruba, well, this particular beach that they brought us to, I gotta get the name, and I'll put it in the captions. I tell y'all, I wasn't listening when the tour guide was talking, to be honest with you. Let's see if I can find my mic. Yeah, but you gotta, there's no food, no bars over here. You have to actually cross the street. See that? Oh, the name of the beach is over there. I'll show y'all. Sure. Let me get this mic out. All right, guys, this should be better. Hope you guys can hear me now, even though the wind is still a blowing. So as I was saying, the one thing that I do not like about Eagle Beach here in Aruba is the fact that there are no bars or restaurants located on the beach. So you actually have to leave the beach, cross this street, and go to one of two buildings. Let's check them both out. All right. And that is our bus. See the red one? Okay. Let's see what they have to offer here. So I take that back. They have one little hut with food here. Okay. You know, I always like to try local cuisine whenever I go out of the country. But it seems like they want to serve us hot dogs, hamburgers, and pizza. Like, we don't get enough of that at the house. You know what I'm saying? We don't get enough. Where's this phone, y'all? Is this just a bar? I'm gonna do it. Oh, they have diesel and shrimp burgers. Oh, boy. Yeah. They look like they're gonna be long. And we don't have long to wait. So we're gonna keep it trekking. Woo! They partying. This is our last port stop. 8 ports on this 14-day. And to be quite honest with you, I'm enjoying it. I didn't feel like, oh God, I can't wait to get off this ship. I never felt that way. I mean, I think it would have been better if I had a little younger crowd, a livelier crowd. But the comedy show last night was funny, had me laughing, tears in my eyes. The Motown trivia was good. The band, the Mockingbirds, really good. Salads, burgers, sandwiches, and beer. What is that? Like, I like to eat food with a fork. You know what I'm saying? Too much finger food, handheld food. Like, why? I don't see anybody here. Maybe I'll get fast service. New body here. You know, see, I have a problem with places that don't have any clientele. It's like, why is that? Hello. I have to go back across the street where I can get a grouper sandwich. Is this all that you're offering right now? Okay. Thank you. No, ma'am. You know, I'm always leery about places. You right here on the beach and you're not busy? No. I'm funny like that. Oh, restaurants that you never see heavily populated. What's the deal with that? How long the food been sitting around? Yeah, I'm funny. Anyway, so I will go over here and stand in line because I want some grouper. Let's get up here in this line. I guess I'll get her some chicken tenders. Line got longer, y'all. It's out the door now. Not many food options around here. So I ended up getting a grouper platter, which is really all I needed because it's a lot of food. I didn't need to get them cheap pressed chicken tenders. Supposed to be chicken tenders, but they look like pressed nuggets. Okay, this is pretty good. Oh, still in Aruba. Oh, we're gonna leave in an hour, but in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna go jump into this jacuzzi for the very first time. I'm gonna take you with me. My favorite band comes on at 3:30. So you should be going that way. This way, right? It's that way, right? I'm so confused. We all turned around with this shit. Oh, you need a towel? Did I jinx myself today? It's a jinx. Because I just dragged him out and never saw him.
I don't want to get in. Too many people.
You know, here.
Let's take this show on the road. Ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, hop a flight, and ride. Tonight